Good morning, students. Welcome once again in online classes. This is class 9th home science class. As you can see on your screen, this is a home science book. HM Publications की book है. And these are the chapters. And today I am going to start chapter number 1, Elements and Scopes of Home Science. Before we start the chapter, there is first term home in this chapter. So what is home? Home means ordinary a place where a person or a family lives. Because we are studying about home science, then first term which we should know, what is home? Home is a place where a person or a family lives. What is home science? Science is a systematized knowledge of anything. Then we can say systematized knowledge of home is known as home science. Home plays a vital role in the life of child. It is the eternal school of social life where children learn human virtues like love, services, cooperation, and toleration. It is a home where in foundations of their future careers are laid. It is home where men and women spend a large part of their lives. After days hard toil in the farm or factories, in the offices or school, one longs to reach home. हर कोई काम करने के बाद जब थक जाता है बहुत ज़्यादा, तो सबको ये होता है बस अब जल्दी से घर पहुंच जाओ. इज़ स्वीट होम. होम इज़ मेन्स प्राइवेट पैराडाइज and abode of peace and joy. Meaning and definition of home science, as I have described earlier, the word home means a place where a person or a family lives. The word science means a systematized knowledge of anything. Thus, home means the systematized study of a place where a person or a family lives. Definitions of home science. Number 1, according to Dr. A.H. Richards, home science is a special subject dealing with income and expenditure of the family, cleanliness of food, adequacy of clothing, proper choice of houses, etc. Second definition is according to Lake Placid Association. Home science is the study of those principles, conditions, and ideals which are concerned on the one side with immediate and physical environment of man, on the other with his human nature. It means कि externally and internally both are required. According to Home Science Institute, Lady Irwin College, home science is a practical science which makes the student to lead his family life successfully and solve social and economic problems easily and well. What are the aims of studying home science? Number 1, Dr. A.H. Richards had defined the aims of studying home science as follows: to employ all scientific knowledges and means in making family life happy. Number 2, to manage family affairs in order to make them free of old traditions and customs. Number 3, to make human beings capable of achieving more important and permanent interests in relation to family and society. Nature of home science. What is the nature of home science? Is it a science or it is an art? First of all, we will discuss about home science as a science. It is a science in the sense that a large mass of knowledge relating to home science is required by systematic study, and where systematic study involves, that is science, that is observation and experience of facts which have been coordinated, systematized, and classified. Much of scientific knowledge home science has borrowed from other sciences like physics, biology, chemistry, and other biological sciences. Home science as an art. It is an art in the sense that all the knowledges it gets, it's used in making family life more happier and enjoyable. For example, a student studies in home science, he uses gas, he uses water heater, he uses electric appliances. Why? To make his family life happier and easier. So we can say it is an art. but home science more deals as a science. It is only in recent years that, with the growing popularity of this subject in schools and colleges, that the approach of studying and teaching this subject and its branches are necessarily become scientific. Here is a chart characteristics of home science, कि where it is a science or where it is home science. Elements of home science. The scope of home science are: number 1, home management; number 2, clothing; number 3, nursing, nutrition and cooking; number 4, child development, that is child care and welfare of the child; number 5, physiology and hygiene; number 6, home nourishing and first aid. So these are the elements of home science. एडवांटेजेस ऑफ स्टडी ऑफ होम साइंस फॉर गर्ल, कि अगर कोई गर्ल है उसके लिए क्या एडवांटेज है होम साइंस पढ़ने के. इट गिव्स इंसाइट इन मेकिंग होम इन्वायरमेंट मोर अफेक्शनेट, सिस्टमेटिक एंड हैप्पियर फॉर ऑल फैमिली मेम्बर्स. अगर आपका घर सिस्टमेटिक है तो जो भी फैमिली मेम्बर्स हैं घर में सब खुश रह पाएंगे. इट सेटिस्फाइज द बेसिक नीड्स ऑफ मेम्बर्स इन अ फैमिली. It helps in maximizing the utility of all resources in the family. It provides nutrition according to the age and work to all the family members. It extends help in caring, nourishing of children and their prevention from diseases. It supports the expectant mothers, small children, and aged persons. It enhances the artistic taste of the house by decoration, etc. Scope of home science. What are the scopes? Home science is a wider subject in nature. The scope of home science can be understood on the basis of the following 2 points. Number 1 is the basic subject matter covered under the home science. Number 2, the subject matter of home science which has taken from other disciplines. अब कौन से कवर्ड चीज़ें हैं जो कि इसमें आती हैं. लाइक अ सब्जेक्ट इज़ नोन बाय द कंटेंट कवर्ड बाय इट. फॉर एग्जांपल, होम साइंस इज़ नॉट सिंपल सब्जेक्ट बट एन integrated from many separate subjects like nutrition, cooking, home branches of home science, and management to home mathematics subject. Sometimes all these are known as the separate branches of home science. Thus, the subject matter of these branches determines the boundary line of home science. You have studied a few of them in preceding heading of elements of home science. एलिमेंट्स ऑफ होम साइंस में आप पढ़ चुके हो इन चीज़ों को. मतलब कुल मिला के कहना ये है कि ये एक अलग से कोई सब्जेक्ट नहीं है. इन चीज़ों को आप कहीं ना कहीं पे थोड़ा बहुत देखते ही रहते हो. इसमें कुछ आप फैमिली वेलफेयर के बारे में पढ़ सकते हो, कुछ आप न्यूट्रिशन सब्जेक्ट अलग से है आप वो भी स्टडी कर सकते हो. एंड सेकेंड वन इज़ द सब्जेक्ट मैटर ऑफ होम साइंस टेकन फ्रॉम अदर डिसिप्लिन्स. लाइक होम साइंस एज अर्लियर सेड इज़ नॉट एन इंडिपेंडेंट सब्जेक्ट. ये कोई इंडिपेंडेंट सब्जेक्ट नहीं है. It has borrowed its content from many sciences as well as social science. Even more, it depends for its content on fine arts. Thus, the scope of home science is very wider in nature. Relationship and correlation of home science with other subject. अब किस किस सब्जेक्ट से इनका correlation है, कहाँ इनकी डिपेंडेंस है, let's discuss about it. Number 1, relationship with physics. All the gadgets of electric or electronic nature in home are contributions of realms of physics. For example, fan, cooler, mixer grinder, water heater, smoke chimney, refrigerator, and other electronic gadgets. All of them are working in application. It is essential to know the basic law of principles of physics to handle them efficiently. अगर हम उन चीज़ों को यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो हमें उनका तरीका भी मालूम होना चाहिए. और ये हमें कैसे मालूम चलता है? फ्रॉम फिज़िक्स. रिलेशनशिप विद केमिस्ट्री. केमिस्ट्री हैज़ चेंज्ड द लाइफ ऑफ हाउस वाइफ इन होम. द नॉलेज ऑफ केमिस्ट्री इज़ रिक्वायर्ड फॉर क्लीनिंग द फ्लोर्स with the help of insecticides and pesticides, cleaning the clothes through detergents, for stain removal and cleaning utensils, furniture, etc. All of these things are we get from chemistry. Number 3 is biology. Biology is the study of living creatures. It includes all the microbes and giants, animals or plants. Home science is closely related to biology for preparing and cooking of various food material. Relationship with sociology. Home science is also related with sociology, with the present conditions of society brought a great change in family structure and mutual coordination among its family members. It has disrupted old families' values to a great extent. Therefore, it is essential to study the sociology for families in transition in essential. The subject matter of sociology contributes towards it. तो कुल मिला के ये कोई स्पेशल अलग से सब्जेक्ट नहीं है, सारी सब्जेक्ट्स का आप देख सकते हो कहीं ना कहीं ये मिला जुला हुआ है. फिज़िक्स आप पढ़ सकते हो, इसमें फ़िज़िक्स के भी फ़ायदे हैं, यहाँ केमिस्ट्री के जानने के फ़ायदे हैं, बायोलॉजी के फ़ायदे हैं. तो इस तरीके से हर जगह कहीं ना कहीं पे ये दिखता है. So this was your first chapter of home science. In our next video, I will complete its exercise and question answers. Hope you enjoyed the chapter. Hope you understand the chapter. Take care, students. Goodbye.